Hey there, small business owners. Imagine if you could answer customer questions instantly, anytime, day or night, with no extra staff. Intrigued? Stick around because in the next 3 minutes, I'm revealing how AI chatbots like Chatfuel, ManyChat, and Tidio can transform your business. Today, we're diving into the world of AI chatbots. In our digital age, customers expect rapid responses. But let's be honest, hiring a 24/7 support team isn't always feasible for a small business. That's where AI chatbots come in, handling inquiries, capturing leads, and even boosting your sales, all on autopilot. First up is Chatfuel. Known for its ease of use, Chatfuel lets you build a fully functional chatbot in minutes. It's especially powerful on Facebook Messenger, ideal if you're already connecting with customers on social media. With Chatfuel, you can automate FAQs, streamline lead generation, and even offer basic troubleshooting, all without writing a single line of code. Next, let's talk about ManyChat. ManyChat is a favorite among marketers because it combines robust chatbot functionality with advanced marketing automation. Create interactive experiences, segment your audience for tailored messaging, and run effective campaigns across multiple platforms. Whether you're boosting engagement or driving sales, ManyChat has the tools you need, all while keeping things simple. And finally, there's Tidio. This all-in-one solution offers both AI-powered chatbots and live chat capabilities. Tidio's intuitive interface and customizable workflows let you provide immediate support across your website, Facebook, and even email. It's perfect for small businesses that want to maintain a personal touch while harnessing the power of automation. So, which chatbot is right for you? Whether you choose Chatfuel, ManyChat, or Tidio, each offers unique features to streamline your customer service and marketing efforts. The best part? You can try them out without a huge investment and see real results fast. Before you go, I've got an awesome resource for you, toolq.com. If you're hungry for more tips, tutorials, and curated tools to boost your business with AI, be sure to check out toolq.com. It's your one-stop destination for the best tech and business automation solutions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more insights on leveraging AI for your business success. Drop a comment below with your favorite chatbot tool, and I'll see you in the next video.